Hello. Tonight our video is on extending the pattern. So I will be giving you 3 patterns, starting with pattern A, and your job is to draw figure 0 and figure 4 and use colors to show the growth of the pattern. Alright, so here is the first one, pattern A. Go ahead, pause your video, draw figure 0 and figure 4, then restart the video to check your answer. Welcome back from pausing the video. Let's see how you did. All right, there is figure 0 and figure 4. And if you were going to use color, now for me, in these patterns, I'm always looking for the square. So if I was going to color in my square, let me go ahead and get my pen. Figure 3 has a square right there with 1 at the top, and then here we have a row along the bottom. So figure 2, here's a square with the 1 at the top, the row along the bottom. Figure 1, here's my square, 1 at the top, row along the bottom. So figure 0 would have a square. Instead of 3 by 3, it would be 2 by 2. And then I have 1 at the top. And looking at that bottom row, it goes from 4 to 3 to 2 to 1. All right, and then figure 4, just going the other way. Here's our square, 1 at the top, and instead of 4 along the bottom, we have 5. All right, here is the next set of figures. Pause your video, restart the video to check your answer. Welcome back from pausing the video. Oh, just in time. Okay, here's figure 0 and figure 4. Again, there are different ways to see this pattern, but I picked out the square. All right, so figure 3 has a 4 by 4 square. Figure 2 has a 3 by 3 square. Figure 1 has a 2 by 2 square. So figure 0 would have a 1 by 1 square right there. Now I'm looking at the rows on the top and bottom. The top row is 5, then 4, then 3. So the top row here would be 2, and see how it's over by 1 square. And then the bottom row is 6, 5, 4, 3. And then the other direction, here's my square. My top row has 6, bottom row has 7. So how'd you do? All right, let's try another one. Here's figure C, or pattern C. Pause your video, then restart to check your answer. Welcome back from pausing the video. See how you did. All right, there's figure 0 and figure 4. All right, again, if I'm identifying my pattern, I chose to look for squares. So figure 3, there's a 4 by 4 square. Figure 2 has a 3 by 3. Figure 1 has a 2 by 2. So figure 0 would have a 1 by 1. Then there's always 2 along the bottom, so I'll add 2 to the bottom there. Okay, and then the top row went from 7 to 5 to 3, so it goes to 1. That's how I came up with 4, like that. And then figure 4, here's my square, got 2 along the bottom, and so it went from 7 to 9 along that top row. So how'd you do with that one? All right? Okay, well, good job, and we will see you tomorrow. And don't forget, read some books.